What's going on, people? Hope everyone is all good. I'm out here today and it's actually warmer than usually. It's about 3 degrees. I know, but it is much warmer than what it has been. Hopefully can get some bangers today. I'm gonna take you guys around the city. Let's get some dope shots and show you what Montreal is all about. I'm gonna set up the drone real quick and let's get some snaps. Hey fam, the battery is low and the drone I just about made it back. That was mad still. Heading to Starbucks now. Gonna get a hot drink and warm up. From there, gonna head Crescent Street to more dope shots and shoot some of the city skyline so I can show that off. Gonna head Montreal after as well. Change of plan, grabbing an Uber now because it's much quicker to get around and it's a race against the clock. Mask on. Yeah, drove it. Just got to Crescent Street. As you can see, we've got the famous photo in the background. I'm gonna get a sick shot, not your traditional shot, and time is of the essence. I do want to get something to eat, but I'm trying to catch the sunset at Montreal, so if I've got time I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna quickly get a sneaky shot of this and we're gonna keep it moving. At the top now, nice sunset, and the views are crazy still.